I suddenly got locked out of my PayPal account today, and the worst part of it is that I didn't get an email message or notification on the issue. When I clicked the next option on the screen to unlock my account, I got the sorry, we couldn't confirm it's you. I couldn't do anything else. I called PayPal support to help me solve the problem, but they were useless. If you are among those who are trying to access their PayPal account and you get the same useless screen message which prevents you from confirming your account, don't try to continuously log in or you will get yourself locked for more time. There are many reasons PayPal might not be working correctly when trying to log in, and we are going to show you a video on how to bypass them all. But before I share the video, do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be the first person to get notified anytime we drop another interesting video like this. Now, step 1 is to open the paypal.com login page and enter your email address and password.